In this video, we will see how to claim the multi-generational home renovation tax credit within UFile. The multi-generational home renovation tax credit is a new refundable credit on the federal return that allows you to claim renovation expenses for the creation of a secondary dwelling to house an eligible relative. For more details on the eligibility requirements of this new credit, please consult the link provided within the description of this video. To claim the credit within UFile, go to the left-hand navigator and specifically click on the section Other Deductions and Credits. On the page to the right, click on the plus sign next to Multi-Generational Home Renovation Tax Credit. On the new page, start entering the details of each qualifying renovation. As a first step, click on the drop-down menu next to Select the Home Renovation and choose the option Multi-Generational Home Renovation for the period ending in 2023. Be aware that you can only claim the Multi-Generational Home Renovation Tax Credit in the year when the renovations have been completed. Start entering all the details of the qualifying renovation by entering the name of the vendor or contractor of the renovation, the GST/HST registration number, if applicable, and the dates and descriptions of the renovation expenses. Once you've entered all the relevant information for the qualifying renovation, you can add another one by simply clicking on the Add Another button. If your qualifying renovations were eligible for any reimbursement or government assistance, indicated within the appropriate field of descriptions of any reimbursement received or receivable. The amount you enter in this field will reduce your qualifying renovation claim. If another qualifying individual is claiming a portion of the renovation expenses, simply indicate the name of this person and the amount that they are claiming on their own tax return. Any amount you enter within this field will reduce the amount of qualifying renovations that you are claiming. For the purposes of the multi-generational home renovation tax credit, the qualifying renovations can be claimed by the caregiver who is housing the eligible relative or the eligible relative. Once you have completed the entries on this page for the multi-generational home renovation tax credit, simply click Next at the bottom of the page. Thank you for using UFile.